Hi Realtors, a quick story that reminded me why this business is all about people. A little while back, I showed up to support a realtor at an open house. Not even my listing, not my clients. I was just there to help, to be a good partner and to make the day easier. The very first person who walked in, I greeted them, I smiled, I asked a couple simple questions, and I stayed truly present. No pressure, no salesy vibe. We chatted for a few minutes, they toured the home, and honestly, it felt like a normal open house conversation. But here's the twist. 3 days later, that same person was in contract with us and that agent. And it hit me. You truly never know who you're gonna meet. Sometimes the person standing in front of you is your next buyer, your next listing, a future referral partner, or someone who's just having a hard day and needs a little kindness. So here's my reminder for all of us. Be open, be kind, treat every person like they truly matter, because they do. And from a business standpoint, that is how you build trust. That's how you build relationships, and that is how you build a pipeline that lasts. If you're hosting an open house and you want to lender support, whether that's greeting guests, capturing leads, or making sure buyers are ready to win, feel free to reach out to me or your preferred lender partner, because together we can make a difference in so many people's lives. Together we can help people realize the value of true home ownership and what a beautiful future they can have by us being open, being available, and being present and spreading a little kindness.